What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Beats Solo3, so let's get started. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's peel off this plastic. There we go. Let's take a look at the box. Beats Solo3. Some information about the headphones. A picture of the headphones. Beats Solo3. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Put that to the side. Lift this up. Put that to the side. Change the way you hear sound. Underneath that, we have a carrying case, which is made out of some very high quality fabric with the Beats logo. Some really nice zippers along with it. Now let's take a look at the charger. It also comes with a carabiner hook, which will attach to the carrying case. Charger. If I can figure out how to take this out. Maybe underneath. Oh, there we go. That should do it. Put that to the side. Try to take that out. Let's try flipping it over. There we go. Inside that, we have the instruction manual, Beat stickers, warranty information. After we put that to the side, we'll find the instruction manual. Let's go ahead and open that. iPhone plus iOS, control center, connect Solo wireless, how to wear it, wireless controls, wireless setup for other devices, the charge, wired playback, iCloud sync. There we go. Now let's take a look at the carrying case and the headphones inside it. There we go. Wow, these look really good. This is the matte black edition. Snap into place. Now let's go ahead and peel off the plastic on the sides. Very nice indeed. Now for the other side, let's peel that off. There we go. I'll give you a general idea of how they look. Beats, leather ear cups, headphone jack, and a power button. Beats Solo3. 40 hours of battery life. W1 chip for easy pairing. And an adjustable fit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.